So in today's video, ooh, that sounds bright. We are going to talk about a bug problem. And that problem is right here. As you can see, it's still summertime and I don't have leaves on these. And what happened was all the leaves are dead and on the ground because I've got a massive infestation. So we're going to talk about what caused this, how to treat it. So let's go. Now the bush that you just got done looking at is what's commonly known as a burning bush, and I love them. They are very colorful in the fall. When they start to drop their leaves, they go bright red. But I've got two bushes that are struggling and some that are getting there. But this one, just in the last couple days, has now turned this droopy brown, and the thing looks completely dead. So what this is, from my research, okay, so what I looked up is these two spotted spider mites are a little tiny orange looking little bug that attaches itself to the bottom of the leaves of these plants, and then when it does so, it will also go down the stems and attach itself to those and start to actually draw all the sap and all the nutrients out of the plant, and thereby killing the plant. But the way to test it, to see if you've got it, from what I looked up and studied on, is that if you take this piece of paper and you shake you can actually see them. They're right there, those little tiny dots. So we've definitely got a problem. Gonna spray it, gonna see if we can't cure this problem. Now the thing that gives me concern is, as you can see, I've got neighbors that have got these same bushes and they're green as can be. They don't have any problems. I've got a bush over here that's and it's not having any problems whatsoever, and I've even trimmed it back just a little bit, but totally green, no problems, no leaf discoloration. We'll take a look at some of the others. Now what they say is that when these leaves and some of the things that you can start to tell if there's a problem is that they'll start to what's called bronzing on the top. And this has got a little bit of that bronzing. The bronzing that I saw at the very beginning was more like this. It gets just that slight goldish bronze color on the leaves, and that's the very beginning of those spider mites. So if we get these sprayed, hopefully we'll be able to keep this one from going. Now this one, which is the largest of all the ones that I have, it's got a little bit of that bronzing too, but not quite so bad. So we're going to spray these and see if we can't make sure that we're diverting any future problems that we're going to have with maybe losing these plants, and see what we can do to get them to come back, and hopefully they'll be okay by next spring. Now the product that I'm going to be using to help combat the spider mites is this Bio Advanced from Bayer 3-in-1 insect disease and mite control. It is specifically made to kill aphids, spider mites, Japanese beetles, adult Japanese beetles, and other pests that are on the label. I'll get a screenshot and put those up on the video here. It will also help cure and prevent any black spot, powdery mildew, and rust diseases on the plants. Now this is mainly for trees, shrubs, roses, and flowers. It is not normally made to go on to any sort of vegetation that you would be eating. So nothing in your garden should this be going on directly. So it is most easily applied with a handheld pump sprayer. So that's what I'm going to use today.
dying. Let them die. Let them die.
Now this product you can use, I use it in a pump tank sprayer, but you can use it on a dial style hose end, like a ortho dial and spray. So that's a great thing. So if you don't have a tank sprayer and you have one of those, and those ortho dial and sprays are super cheap, you can apply it via your hose without hardly any problems. It does say that you should repeat applications every 7 to 14 days, especially if the infestation is bad. But one of the things that I failed to do, and hopefully you can learn a lot from a dummy, is that you treat it early in the season to help prevent any problems. And it goes back to the old adage, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Now hopefully we'll be able to get this stopped. We'll be able to save these bushes from being overtaken and overrun by these pests, but we're going to give it a couple weeks. I'm going to do a treatment now, a treatment in another week, and we'll see if we can't get some more of those green shoots coming up out of the plant, and hopefully it will help to make it to where it'll survive and I won't have to replace them.
Dead, Jim. She's dead, Jim. He's dead, Jim. He's dead, Captain. He's dead, Jim. She's dead. He's dead. She's dead.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.